Good morning, and it's weigh-in time. $75.2, lowest weigh-in ever. Extremely happy. Let's get some breakfast. Keeping breakfast very simple, so a glass of almond milk, which is 29 calories, with 1 scoop of my protein chocolate smooth and 1 pack of turkey ham. So I'm gonna go enjoy this and get on the road. Hi again, everybody. Don't know how well you can see me because it is quite dark at the moment. Just thought I'd share with you one of my recent acquisitions, and it is the Orange Monster Ultra Sunrise. So this is one of the newer ones of the Monster Ultra Zero series, and it is the orange flavor one, US edition, and it is absolutely delicious. Better than the Ultra Blue, better than the Ultra Red, and I'm almost keen to say that it's better than the White Monster. It's almost like spring water with a bit of orange juice. If any of you know the San Pellegrino orange cans and bottles that they do, which is their mineral water with orange, that's exactly what it tastes like, but with all that Monster energy. So if you can get your hands on it, I highly recommend it. And I've also got the Ultra Citron, the new yellow one, which I'll try for you guys shortly. But this is absolutely on point. And like I said, at the moment, I think, in my opinion, it is beating the White Monster. So try it if you get a chance. Highly recommend it, and I'll catch you all later. And it's meal time again, and let me show you, we're gonna have something really special today. So let's get cooking and I'll show you what we've got. That's right, we are gonna have burgers today with these new soft white burger thins. 112 calories per burger thin. Never tried these before, so looking forward to that. We're gonna have a tomato in there, some asparagus on the side, and we're not going to do beef burgers, but we're going to have these Alaskan salmon burgers, which we found. 12 burgers in this bag, full of omega-3s. That's what it looks like. Let me show you the calories on the back. So 1 salmon burger, 100 grams, 150 calories, 8 fat, 1.5 carbs, and 17.5 of those protons. So we're going to have 2 burgers, so 35 grams of protein, 2 burgers, some asparagus, put some tomato in it, and probably some light mayonnaise. So let's get cooking. So burger thins are ready with lighter than light mayo and a slice of tomato, ready for the salmon patties. Asparagus is coming to a simmer, and salmon burgers are cooking. There we go, and there's the finished product. They look absolutely delicious. So we're gonna close these bad boys up. So we have our 2 wild Alaskan salmon burgers, and finish off the dish with some micros asparagus, and look at that, doesn't that look absolutely delicious? So I'm gonna go enjoy this, and I'll catch you in the next video. Man, guys, I've never tried salmon burgers before, but with that lighter than light mayo and that tomato, absolutely delicious. Give it a try if you can find them. So everybody, it is currently 26 degrees outside, and it's just gone 6 in the evening, and quite frankly I was going to leave this for later, but I have packed this, and honestly I am thirsty as hell and I need to try it, because I've tried, as you've seen, the orange one before, and I think the lemon one will fit perfectly into these weather conditions. So there we go. Bitter lemon, absolutely delicious. And greetings again, YouTube family, and we're going to be doing some cooking in bulk, purely because I've been getting really lazy with my meals recently, and after this procedure with the shoulder I'm getting a bit moody when it comes to nutrition. So I thought the best thing to do is to prep my meals, have them ready, have them calorie controlled, so we cannot fail there. So we're going to do chicken in either 2 or 3 different ways, I haven't decided yet, and this is what we're going to go and attempt to do. So we have our chicken there, 2 kilos of chicken, and we're going to do one sauce which is going to be something with mustard, soy sauce, garlic and ginger, and possibly some Splenda, and possibly some more garlic powder. And we're going to do a second one which is going to be based on this Dolmio tomato sauce. We're going to put some spicy chilies in there, some jalapenos, some chipotle tabasco, some chipotle chili flakes, and some sriracha. So let me get this chicken prepped up, ready to go, and I'll show you what we'll do. Now the chicken's been marinating for a few hours now, and I've laid it out on a baking sheet with some low calorie cooking spray, and this is what it looks like. It looks absolutely delicious. So that's going to go in the oven for about 15-20 minutes, and today we're going to have it with some asparagus. We're going to gently boil those and enjoy it. And there we go, that's what it looks like. Both chickens there with the asparagus, and we've microwaved some 1 serving of V2 rice. So I'm going to go and enjoy this, and I'll catch you later on in the next video.